In order to achieve a highly available infrastructure designed for the cloud, Newvem provides you with indicators and insights needed to achieve it. There are two objectives of high availability. The first is maintainability, which is being able to continue to function in spite of service disruption. The second one is resilience, which is being able to recover in an amount of time at the event of a service disruption, which meets business requirements and customer SLA commitments. Ultimately, it's about the entire solution performing at an agreed level of availability, which meets customer requirements, delivered at a justifiable cost. High availability is achieved through redundancy. Redundancy comes with a cost of adding additional servers and spreading them across additional locations. For example, we all heard stories about web companies that were built and grew on the internet, and suddenly, as of a service disruption, for example, they lost everything. They lost everything because they didn't design for high availability. And it wasn't the cloud vendor fault or responsibility, it was their own. Traditional IT departments took care of all IT needs and requirements for the company, including designing for high availability. However, normally, disaster recovery was not implemented because of high costs. Cloud environments introduced a new model, the shared responsibility model, where the customer is responsible to design and implement his own solution per his required service level or SLA. The cloud vendor provides you with building blocks that you can use to design, build, and achieve the solution and the service level that your solution and your customers requires. If one of these building blocks fails, ultimately, it's your responsibility to make sure that your application does not fail. Newvem identifies potential availability shortcomings by identifying potential oversights. Newvem recommends where to spend time and money to fix potential shortcomings by educating users on solving the issue, which mitigates problems down the road. For instance, many cloud vendors provide the customer with load balancers to increase maintainability. Newvem will look and analyze the way the customer is using these load balancers and recommend ways to increase the efficiency of the load balancer. For example, make sure that instances and computing resources are spread across multiple data center locations. Another example of a building block provided by cloud vendors is the ability to back up your data or take snapshots of your data. Newvem will look at the way your snapshots are being done, will verify that they are being done, that they are done in the frequency that is intended to be done, that they are fresh, and will make sure that outdated snapshots are deleted in order to save cost. In summary, this is the customer's responsibility to design a high available solution using the cloud vendors' provided building blocks. Newvem provides you with the indicators and insights required to do so.